Welcome to the Garden of Suds. In this video, we are going to be making a honey oat cold process soap. First thing, what you want to do is get your lye situated, get the oil temp down, and you roughly want it between 90 degrees as the max to about 75, and yes, it takes forever. And ever. Then we're going to go ahead and blend it into a soft trace. Then we're going to go ahead and add the honey. The honey, since it has natural sugar, it will heat up the oil and the lye. And it kind of turns this whole entire thing into more heat because of the oil, or because of the natural sugar. After you do that, we're going to go ahead and add the stick blender again and mix it in. After we add the honey, we're going to go ahead and add the essential oil. I ended up using about 3 teaspoons of sweet orange. I wanted to give it like a citrus scent to it. It's nice and gentle, and a lot of people like it. Now, while I'm mixing this up, I found out my wife was, of course, mad at me because I dedicated a soap to our daughter. But real quick, after we blend it in, we're gonna go ahead and add the oats, and the stick blender's out. I really don't want the oats to turn into a flour or, be chopped up. So we're going to mix it in with a whisk. But yeah, my wife got very upset on how I didn't make her favorite breakfast, oatmeal with honey. So, honey, this video is dedicated to you. Thank God. Get me out of the doghouse. So after that, we're going to go ahead and add put a little bit of the oats into the bottom of the soap mold and give it a nice little oatmeal effect and exfoliating. Then we're going to go ahead and add the soap to it, and it does look a little chunky just because of the oats in the soap. And we're also trying to make this as quick as possible because of the honey. It is starting to cool itself down, and it's starting to slowly get into the rice process, which, I'm happy it did not. I've done this recipe about 5-6 times so far, and I'm going to say probably 3 other times it has riced up on me. Now we're gonna go ahead and just get a spoon, get a butter knife, something, or even a plastic spatula, and just clean up the top of the soap as much as possible. We don't want no ridges, we don't want anything like that. We want to have as much as possible a nice clean nice clean top of the soap. And that's kind of where it went. And then lo and behold, I put it up for probably about 3 days to about a week, because it started to rain here, and when it does, it does. I had to spray them with rubbing alcohol to prevent as much ash from happening. And we're gonna go and pop this out. If you guys can't tell, one of these bars looks a little, it looks really messed up. I put it up and I tried to reach for something, and I thought, hey, I can put my hand on this container and reach over. Well, the container turned out to be one of the soaps, and so I put my finger in one of the soaps by accident. So woohoo! So this soap actually turned out wonderfully. My wife loved it. She really did. She's actually been using it a lot. This thing has a lot of suds, and it's just great. But real quick guys, do me a favor, jump down in the comments, like this video, and most importantly, subscribe to the Garden of Suds. Until next time.